So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna teach you how to sum the odd and even numbers up to 1 to 10. Okay, so let's start. So first we need to declare some variables that equal to 0. So and sum is equal to 0 semicolon. The next is using for loop. So for and I is equal to 1, then semicolon, then I is less than equal to 10, so that it will loop 1 to 10, then semicolon, then 1 I plus plus. Next is curly bracket. Then we need to get the output of I. So system that prints then I, so that it will display the 1 to 10. So let's try. So here's the output 1 to 10. Then next is using if, so that it will calculate the sum of odd. So if I modulo 2 not equal to 0, then curly bracket, then sum. So we need to get the sum. Okay, so then sum is equal to sum plus I, then semicolon. Okay, then next is we need to display this. We need to display the sum. So let's system that out print message the sum of odd numbers. So odd numbers up to 10 is equal to equal to so we need to get the sum so that it will display the result sum. Okay, let's print. Oh, here's the result. So from 1 to 10, the sum of odd numbers up to 10 is equal to 25. Okay, then if you want to add the even, you need to change that into equal, so that it will equal to 0. So let's print 1 to 10 is the sum of even is up to 10 is equal to 30. So that's all. And thank you for listening. I hope that it helps you. Okay, thank you.